Today we are making beef onion stir fry. The onion is crisp and sweet. The beef is incredibly juicy and tender because of my secret hack that I'm about to reveal. I will show you how to cook the dish in your own kitchen. Hey everyone, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori and welcome. I need your support to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Therefore, please don't forget to subscribe now and thank you. For this delicious recipe, you will need the following ingredients. 5 cloves of garlic, 4 green onions. Cut them into 2-inch sections. Keep the stem part separated from the leaf because you will use them at different times during cooking. One onion. Cut it into large strips. Cornstarch and water mixture. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1/3 cup of water. Beef. A total weight of 16 ounces. We are going to cut it into a 1/4 inch thick. We are going to tenderize it with baking soda so you get tender, juicy slices of beef without a metallic chemical aftertaste. In a small bowl, we mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 4 teaspoons of water. Just simply stir it until baking soda is dissolved. Then pour it onto the beef and massage it thoroughly into every pieces to make sure that it's coated with baking soda. Then we set this aside for 30 minutes. The beef has been completely patted dry. We are going to marinate it. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2.5 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, some oyster sauce, about 3/4 teaspoon, some sugar, about 3/4 teaspoon, 4.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of avocado oil. You can substitute with vegetable oil. Mix this up. It's easier to use hand for mixing. And lastly, we are going to add 1.5 teaspoons of sesame. Now that the beef has been marinated and other ingredients prepped, let's start cooking together. I preheat the pan on high heat. The pan is ready. Add oil. I'm using pork lard rather than vegetable oil. Pork lard is a natural healthy fat that significantly enhances a dish flavor. You can substitute it with vegetable oil if you like. Add onion. Add a pinch of salt. Saute this for about a minute because we don't want it overcooked. Transfer it to the bowl. Add garlic, ginger, add beef. Spread it out. It doesn't take a long time to cook beef, so we don't want to overcook it. The beef is ready. We are going to add the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, some black pepper, 2 teaspoons of rice cooking wine. This is optional. You can skip it if you like. Mix it together. Add cornstarch mixture. Make sure stir thoroughly so that the cornstarch doesn't stay at the bottom. And the last ingredient that we add is the leafy part of green onion. Here's the final result. Beef onion stir fry. If this video helped you out, please share it with your families and friends, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I am excited to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.